Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're diving into something that promises to bring a lot of cheer and a distinctive sound to any gathering. The PATIKIL 9inch cowbells. This set of 2 cowbells is truly designed to be the ultimate noise maker for everything from high-energy football games to joyous wedding celebrations. First off, let's talk about the practical size. Measuring at 7.5 by 5 by 23 centimeters, or roughly 3 by 2 by 9 inches, these cowbells are perfectly portable. They are easy to hold comfortably in one's hand, or can even be hung around the neck for hands-free cheering, making them incredibly convenient for any active event where you want to make some noise. When it comes to construction, these cowbells are built to endure. Each one is crafted from sturdy iron, and its surface is meticulously treated with a special baking paint. This treatment isn't just for aesthetics. It renders the cowbell waterproof and highly resistant to rust, fading, or cracking. So, whether it's a damp game day or a sunny outdoor concert, these cowbells are designed to maintain their vibrant color and structural integrity for a very long time, ensuring lasting durability. They also feature a comfortable handle, a thoughtful detail for extended use. Naturally, the primary function of cowbell is its sound, and the PATIKIL cowbells certainly deliver on that front. When shaken, they produce a remarkably loud, crisp, and pleasant metallic collision sound. It's the kind of sound that instantly captures attention and gets everyone in the spirit, whether you're passionately cheering on your favorite team or celebrating a momentous occasion. What truly distinguishes these cowbells is their fantastic DIY potential. The smooth, white surface provides a perfect blank canvas, inviting endless personalization. One can effortlessly transform them with permanent markers, adorn them with sparkling rhinestones, or even paint intricate designs using acrylic paints and a sealer. Imagine tying on a festive ribbon or attaching a light-up lanyard to craft unique party favors or truly personalized gifts. This creative DIY aspect makes them incredibly versatile, allowing users to tailor them perfectly to any theme or event. Their application is remarkably broad, from the enthusiastic crowds at sporting events like football and hockey games, to adding a charming, rustic touch at farm events, weddings, or concerts. These loud cowbells fit right in. They are also ideal for family gatherings or any situation where a fun, attention-grabbing noisemaker is desired. The ability to decorate them further enhances their suitability for diverse occasions. In summary, the PATIKIL 9inch cowbells offer an impressive combination of durable construction, powerful sound, and extensive creative customization options. They are an excellent choice for anyone looking to add some spirited noise and personal flair to their next event.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.